He had 60 minutes to become a logo designer. No experience, no skills, just 1 hour to create something someone might actually pay for. This is Ali. He's never designed anything before. No Photoshop, no creativity training, not even an idea where to start. Just a laptop and a ticking clock. If he fails, nothing changes. But if he succeeds, this could be the first real skill he's ever learned online. The clock starts now. Ali opens his laptop and types how to design a logo for beginners. Hundreds of videos, thousands of opinions. Make it simple, make it unique, make it memorable. But how? For the first 10 minutes, he doesn't design anything. He just watches, scrolls, thinks. Finally, he decides to try. He picks a random idea, a coffee shop. Simple, common, safe. He opens a free design tool, adds a circle, types a name, changes the font, then changes it again and again. Nothing feels right. After first 30 minutes, this is what he has. A cluttered logo, too many elements, no clear idea. It doesn't look professional. It doesn't even look finished. This is where it gets frustrating. He tries adding icons, removes them, tries new fonts, resizes everything. Each change makes it worse. Time keeps moving. Then he notices something. Every good logo he saw was simple, not more, less. So he deletes everything and starts again. One icon, one font, one idea, a clean coffee cup, balanced text. No extra details. 10 minutes left. He adjusts spacing, fixes alignment, tweaks the font weight. 5 minutes. He zooms in, moves one last element. 1 minute. The hour is over. And this is what he made. Is it perfect? No. But is it better than where he started? Yes. Because logo design wasn't about adding more, it was about knowing what to remove. 1 hour ago, he had nothing. Now, he has a starting point. What should you try to learn in 1 hour next? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.